Everybody loves a great egg dish. The easier, the better. And that's exactly what I'm making today. It's called Kayiannas, and it's a traditional scrambled egg dish from the Peloponnese with tomatoes, Kalamata olives, a little bit of feta cheese, and another Greek cheese called kefalotiri. I'm gonna start with olive oil, just heat it and get my tomatoes going. And the reason I add those before my garlic is so that the garlic actually doesn't burn in the hot oil. Now, this is a dish that really is best done with fresh tomatoes, but you can also use canned tomatoes. There's nothing worse than watery scrambled eggs, right? So that's really what we want to avoid here by cooking out all the water in the tomatoes. And I'm gonna add my garlic next. 1 clove of chopped garlic. I'm gonna chop my Kalamata olives. Now, the olives are not a traditional addition to this dish. They're kind of my little inspiration. Eggs and olives work surprisingly well together. The olives give a totally different dimension, and they give a certain meatiness. So while this is cooking down, I'm gonna whisk my eggs. I'm doing 4 eggs in this omelet. So I'm just gonna whisk them lightly. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and pepper. And I'm stirring as I add the eggs. And you can see that there's no liquid in the frying pan. That's exactly what we want. I'm gonna add my feta and my other Greek cheese here. Kefalotiri is a very sharp sheep's milk cheese. Imagine kind of a pecorino. That's probably the closest comparison. Okay, my curds are starting to take shape. That's exactly what I want. I'm gonna add my oregano, beautiful aromatic Greek oregano, fresh chopped mint, it smells really good, and a bit of fresh chopped parsley. My Kayiannas is perfectly cooked. And you know why I know that? Nothing's runny in here. This is a really great brunch item with a nice fresh salad, maybe a little bit of feta cheese, even some Kalamata olives on the side, some good bread. I'm just gonna garnish it with a Kalamata olive. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of this beautiful Greek sparkling rosé. I can't wait to try my Kayiannas. That is so pleasantly satisfying. I'm always surprised at the texture and that meatiness that Kalamata olives add to almost anything. But the tomatoes add a whole different dimension. They kind of soften the egg a little bit, and they've got that nice pungency from the feta cheese and the herbal flavors from the mint and the parsley. This is a really perfect, quick meal. It goes really well with this, too. This is a Xenoma rosé from northern Greece.